This is a Dodge Challenger 2008 SRT8 with about 600 horsepower. The SRT8, I think there's only 6,400 of them made in 2008. This is number 2695. It's got all the original documentation that goes with that. It's a supercharged car. It's got four, what are those, Brembo brakes. It's got the Alcoa forged wheels. Sorry, that got loud. 6.1 liter Hemi. It is a beautiful car. Bright orange, well taken care of. Got the cool fuel door, got new tires on it, got a nice trunk, good sized trunk, good sized car. It's definitely a 0 to 60 car for sure. It'll keep up with pretty much anything you got out there. Solid car. SRT wheels. Look at those Brembos. Look at those big brakes. You need big brakes to stop a car like this, especially as fast as it is. Jake, we have to go in this air-conditioned beauty. Shall we do it now?
Absolutely.
Think so. Close this hood. So, Jake, it's got a push-button start.
Yes, it does.
For 2008, it's got pretty much all the creature comforts. Oh, feel that AC, Jake. It is an impressive car. 5-speed automatic, over 600 horses, a nice supercharger. It's a Hemi. It's orange. Gotta love orange.
Calm down there, Chris.
That never happens with me, Jake. I'm telling you right now, that was fun. That's just going straight. I hope I can make it. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Jake. It gets fun. It gets real fun when cars do this kind of stuff. God, it drives nice too. Does that say 11,000 miles on this thing? There's no miles on this 08. Oh, listen to it, Jake. Okay, it's 40 miles an hour here, Jake. I need to slow it up a bit, but man, this is nice. It's so quiet. I mean, quiet until I jump on it, and then it gets a little silly.
Yeah, from the inside, it's actually pretty refined.
It is. It's very comfortable.
The air is very cold. You have a radio.
Yes, it's got all the
sorts of controls
stuff
down here.
I don't even know what they all mean, Jake. We have seat warmers. Do you think we need them today, Jake?
Probably not.
No, I don't think so.
My seat's already warm enough as it is.
I'm telling you, this is... Oh, and they're leather, too. Let's not forget that.
I think our heat index is approaching 110 today.
It feels like that.
Yeah, we do have a sunroof.
And we do have a sunroof. Here, there it is. And there it goes. Much nicer with it closed today. This is a great fall spring car. And if the summer ever gets below 80.
Well, with the sunroof closed and the AC on, it's just fine.
It's perfect.
Fine, nice and cool in here.
I love it. And it just feels like you're driving any kind of normal car that will go extremely fast.
Controls on your steering wheel as well.
Yep. You can control your radio, your stuff.
Don't have to take your hands off the wheel.
Heavens no. Why would I want to do that? There's your cruise control right here.
No, for an 08, this head unit actually looks pretty modern. This is the same head unit in my mom's 2014 van. So maybe it is updated a little bit. I'm not sure.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. It's got a CD player.
Would you look at that?
Would you just look at it?
Would you just look at that? Man, oh man. And there's somebody in front of me. Because all this car wants to do is pass people.
Yeah, and we're going to draw some attention with the bright orange.
Yeah. The white-faced tack and speedometer, very nice.
Yeah, the gauges are cool.
Yeah, this is a really neat car. Wow.
And they have the branding of the Supercharger inside the gauges as well. So they're aftermarket, I think.
Ah, yes, Vortech. Vortech Supercharges and Speed Factory.
And you do have a tilt wheel. I can see the lever down in the middle.
And it tilts.
There you go. It does tilt.
Oh, boy.
And I do like the bucket seats. They actually hold you in very well, and they're comfortable.
They do.
Leather mixed with, I think, Alcantara type, or suede.
Or suede. I like suede. Suede seems a lot nicer to me.
Whatever.
Oh, got with it, Jake. Sorry, Jake, it got with it. I can't stop it. It wants to do this. This car's got a mind of its own. I mean, not too many cars sound this mean. The 409 we drove, the 64 Impala, that also sounded mean. This one sounds...
This is a smooth mean.
It is. It's refined. It's got all kinds of good stuff on it. Oh, I just love it. All right.
Let's do our startup.
Let's do our startup.
Oh, it's a big one now. Yeah, my phone.